Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace a toilet. Let me show you how it's done. If it's time to replace a toilet, then this is something that's pretty easy to do. First, you have to find the toilet that you want as far as the size and the style, elongated bowl or round bowl. It's really up to you. The thing to keep in mind is that most toilets are what they call 12-inch centers, meaning that the flange that's in the floor is 12 inches off of the wall. So you want to confirm that in fact you're buying the correct toilet with the right setback for the connection point to the floor. Most toilets are two-piece toilets, meaning that the bowl and the tank are separate pieces. So the trick is to remove the old toilet by loosening up the Johnny bolts and pulling the toilet off, then scraping up the old wax ring that might be on the flange, and then installing the new wax ring on the bottom portion of the toilet or the bowl. You want to set that first. It's going to be much easier to do that without the tank in place. Then once that's set and the bolts are tightened down, you can put the tank onto the bowl, lining up the gasket that fits in between the two, and then tightening the bolts that hold the tank to the bowl. Make sure you don't over tighten because you want to make sure that it sits nice and plumb and is not kind of wonky against the wall. Once that's done, you can attach your water line to the toilet tank, fill it up, put on your toilet seat, and you're done. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.